In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name in your Google Workspace account. Whether you're making this change due to a name change, correcting a spelling error, or simply because you prefer something different, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Google Workspace dashboard, the central hub where you manage all your account settings and tools. It's quite comprehensive, bringing everything you need into one convenient space. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Directory on the main menu. This is your gateway to managing the users associated with your Google Workspace account. Next, you'll need to select the option labeled Users from the Directory menu. This section lists all the users who are currently part of your workspace, making it easy for you to review and manage individual account details, including names. It's here that you're going to find the specific user whose name you intend to change. Now comes the next step: locating and selecting the user's name from the list. Carefully click on the name, which will open up that user's information profile. Within this profile, you should see an option that says Update User. This is what you need to access. Clicking on Update User will allow you to make modifications to the existing user details, specifically to the name. After opening up the Update User section, you'll have the ability to enter the new name you want to assign to this user. Just type in the desired name, ensuring you check for any typos or errors before moving forward. Paying attention to detail here is crucial, especially if this change is being made to reflect professional credentials or official documentation. Once you're satisfied with the new name, go ahead and hit the Update User button. By doing this, you confirm the change and it will be automatically saved in the system. From now on, whenever this user is mentioned within Google Workspace, the newly updated name will appear. It's a straightforward process that significantly impacts how users are identified in interconnected systems like email, calendar invites, and shared documents. And there you go. You've now successfully changed the name in your Google Workspace. Remember, such updates can be very important for ensuring smooth communication, preventing misunderstandings, and maintaining the professionalism of your workspace environment. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need detailed assistance with other Google Workspace functions. See you in the next video.